Our top focus at this hour, days after visiting China, Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov will be visiting New Delhi today. He will be holding a meeting with his Indian counterpart, Dr. S. Jaishankar, and will get on a call with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well. The topics likely to be discussed are the current status of bilateral relations, with special focus on the recent Quad meeting between India, the United States, Japan and Australia. The countries are expected to bring up New Delhi's proposed purchase of the S-400 air defense system from Moscow. Remember, this has been India's long-standing friction point with Washington, as it has been discouraging India from pursuing Russian military hardware. Cooperation on the ongoing coronavirus crisis will also be a major topic of discussion. Russia's COVID-19 vaccine, Sputnik's approval, is expected to be taken up by the Indian regulatory authorities soon. India's BRICS chairmanship for this year will also be in focus. India, as the chair of BRICS, will be inviting the member countries for a summit towards the later half of the year. Lavrov will be accompanied by the Russian Special Envoy on Afghanistan, Zamir Kabulov. The development comes after Moscow hosted the Troika Plus talks, that is, the US, Russia, China and Pakistan, on issues related to Afghanistan. India was not invited to the meet, however. According to sources, Lavrov's visit will be followed by a trip by Russian President Vladimir Putin, and April could also see the visit of Russian Deputy Prime Minister Yuri Borisov for intergovernmental commission meetings. Now remember, earlier this year, India's Foreign Secretary Harsh Shringla was on a visit to Moscow, during which he had extended an invitation to the Russian Foreign Minister for the India visit. And earlier, the Secretary, that is Vikas Swarup, had visited Moscow for consultations with the Russian Deputy Foreign Minister, Mr. Vershinin, on UNSC-related issues. This is the first visit of any top Russian government official to India this year. On April 6th and 7th, the Russian Foreign Minister will be visiting Pakistan. The talks with his Pakistan counterpart will focus on the status of ties, strengthening of trade and countering terrorism. For more on this high-profile visit, our principal diplomatic correspondent Siddhant Sibal now joins us live with more details. Thanks for joining us, Siddhant. Now, another high-profile diplomat's visit to India, this time around from Russia. Tell us what's on the agenda during the Russian foreign minister's visit.
Well, two main things will be on the agenda. First, of course, Afghanistan, and second, the visit of the Russian President Vladimir Putin for the annual India-Russia summit. This summit alternates between the two countries. Last year, this summit was to happen, but it could not happen because of the COVID pandemic. This year, the summit is expected to happen in the month of October in India. Perhaps on the sidelines of the BRICS meeting, and that is why, to lay a foundation for that visit, the Russian foreign minister is here in India. But of course, Afghanistan is going to dominate, and the fact that the Russian foreign minister is visiting India and then Pakistan showcases that Afghanistan will be his large focus during his visit, both here in India and then later on to Pakistan. We know that the Indian side hasn't been very happy about the fact that the Russians haven't invited India to the Troika meeting which happened in Moscow, and then thereafter we know that the Americans invited India for the meet on Afghanistan under the UN umbrella. This is something that is still to be decided in terms of the logistics, especially when the meeting is expected to happen. But largely India and Russia both are in that form of consultations on Afghanistan.
Right. Now, Siddhant, another very important question. India and the United States, of course, enjoy strong bilateral ties, while the US-Russia relationship is quite strained at the moment. So how will this impact the bilateral discussions between India and Russia during this visit?
Well, India treats its bilateral relationship with each country on their own accord. We know that India is buying S-400 from the Russians. It will be delivered by the end of this year. And we also know that the fact that India is getting S-400s from the Russians can attract the sanctions, the CAATSA sanctions of the Washington, and this is something that has been in the story in the media for a pretty long time. The Americans, of course, saying that they can in fact put the sanctions, but there is no definite information on that. But largely India has told the Americans that when it comes to its defense purchases, India has the sovereign right to do so, whether it's with Moscow or whether it's with Washington. So largely it is a bilateral relationship which India sees on its own accord and not impacted by the Russian relationship with the Americans or the American relationship with the Russians.
Right, Siddhant, we'll leave it there. Thank you so much. We'll of course come to you for more updates once the Russian foreign minister arrives in India. WION World is One is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.